I'll be heading up Team Kitchen Crew. I guess I should get used to pushing it, huh? Got a 4-man group. I'm going to be working on a 1979 Kawasaki KZ1000. I think this one will make it all the way. It has compression. The motor's free. So I believe that's a good candidate to start with. We have a stuck throttle that doesn't want to turn. We got bent up levers. You can see down here where he took a hit. I want to get it down to about where it sits like this with a seat and a tank. Comfortable. Comfortable. This bike is going to be a fun ride. I'd love to be considered in this. Considered an honor. So with the crew. So thank you. And good luck to everybody on this event. You right there?
This is your wake-up call for the blue-collar biker build-off.
Alright.
Are you up building yet?
Putting the bed down, yeah.
You're wasting precious time.
My alarm has been going off for an hour. Yeah, we overslept. That alarm's been ringing for an hour, Mike. For a whole hour. Good morning, Mike. How are you? Oh yeah, I overslept. I overslept my takeoff for the blue-collar biker build-off moment, and I have to apologize for that. I stayed up last night watching this fucking stupid documentary. Abducted in Plain Sight. If you've ever seen it, I'm sorry, you'll never get your time back. You can't believe there's that many stupid people in America, much less Pocatello, Idaho. It's amazing. Good morning. How are you? Putting a little bit of paint to the letters. I don't know why I chose silver.
Pirellis.
Pirelli route. I'd like to find a 66 sticker and put a 66 number on each side. Do it in red, white, and blue. Since we're going to be bound Highway 66. How are the kitchen crew's doing, buddy? So it's legal now to work on this.
We're late.
Yeah, we're 10 hours, 10 hours behind. But not really, because what I did last night, I broke all the exhaust bolts loose. I didn't undo them, I broke them loose. Because I thought if something breaks, I don't want this to be a bad time. I don't want to be angry with anybody. I'll just break everything loose and make sure. And I'll tell you what, some of them, man, you could feel them when you pulled on them. This is factory exhaust, without a doubt. Even with a flat tire, it's pretty easy to push. We'll air that up. Today, what's on the docket? I will try to defend myself by getting the stock exhaust off, putting on the header. That's the big thing. Getting this bike ready to where it can roll and to where it can be tuned. I have to have the carburetor synchronized, and I need the exhaust on that I'm going to run. And I have the header around here somewhere. Yeah, it's here. Right now, we'll find it. That's going to be another nice thing about it. Here we are. This bad boy. I don't have, you know what I mean?
First problem of the day.
Oh, there's always going to be one. There's no question of that. If it hangs down like that, it is. But if it goes in flat and tight,
it goes.
That's flat and tight like that.
You're still gonna have to bend it because it's still gonna hit the rest of the exhaust.
Yeah. Just give me just a second to think about something. What are you thinking, Spike? I see your tail's wagging.
Oh no, what's he doing now? This should be good.
Look out.
I gotta see this.
That ain't happening, it's a round rod.
You gotta heat it up. Yeah?
I need to get more heated up. Son of a bitch. This header was supposed to fit right on here, no problem. Blah, 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 blah. I can't bend it anywhere else either. That is. Where's flat? That's not even going into flat.
You might be able to get a straight dump down on it once it was tight.
Let's see what we get here. We have some kind of action here, Mike.
This is the kind of action we want, though.
I don't think so.
First broken bolt of the day.
Shh. Shh. First broken fingernail of the day.
Is it going?
It's coming. Yeah, you can see the head of the bolt.
The second one in, yeah.
So there, that's where it sits, right there, just like that, flat. You feel it in the pipe?
Yep.
It sits just like that. I didn't have to cut my brake. God! Yeah. All right, here comes regret number one. I'm gonna regret doing this, I'm telling you right now. I know that. Gotta get this header pipe on so it can be tuned. Make a bit of a slice. All right. Saying more and more doesn't want to be part of the team. Oh, look at this shit now.
Are they long enough?
Well, now that we're in the fucking hole, yeah. Hey, that's okay. We'll laugh this motherfucker off. Yeah,
Yeah, we don't need the hardware store on Sunday.
Was that a regret?
Fuck yeah. I would rather
Right.
build a fucking brake pedal than cut and weld exhaust. Okay, sorry. Did you get it in?
Yeah.
No, you're shitting there.
No, not at all.
Okay, trying to line this up to where I could put this together.
I guess we're going without a brake pedal?
Who needs brakes? Did you ever watch the Flintstones? Yabba dabba do?
You're riding the bike out there, right?
Well, I thought I'm sure.
Gas is flammable with a good spark.
Pretty good.
Exhaust, no. A good spark off the battery, maybe.
Let's see what we got here. Headlight?
Yep.
Sure. So check this out. Do this. I found out you had to have...
We lost ground.
Lost the ground.
Is it just resting on there?
Yeah. Hang on to that. Hold that, we're good.
It's just but I realized that if you have a pressure, that gas won't fire because it's so old.
It's smoking. There you go.
Okay. Probably picks that up better than the voice signal, huh? Suppose we could start with the shades on. I look more dynamic with my shades on. Let me pull my pants up into place. Now that I got them all hitched up. Can you hear me? Do you have an audio and everything? Better not be filming the crack of my ass up there. God damn it. That better? All right. Yeah, it even looks cooler. The kitchen crew. What?
Oh, don't walk around though.
Oh, okay, I'm framed out. Sorry.
Yeah.
So thus, the name The Kitchen Crew. How did we come up with that? Well, I built this bike the first time in my kitchen and front room in Grand Forks, North Dakota in 1979. 1989. And then I took it to Sturgis in 90 for the 50th.
It was done in a neon magenta at the time. Some of you might have remembered it. I do have pictures of it. That was the first time during the blizzard, worked on the bike. Down here in, let's say 10 years ago, 15 years ago, would have been 04. I came back from 05 Sturgis on this and I decided I wanted to paint it. And I said, orange will be the color for next year. Everybody laughed at me. Orange, nobody's gonna do orange. Ironically, orange became the color for 206. Check your facts, you'll see it's pretty crazy. This went into the kitchen for a year. And I had my Sportster behind me. I rode that for a year while I built this bike. Then once I got this bike up and running, then I built the Fat Boy in the kitchen. In the kitchen, you can work on your bike in your underwear and nobody sees you. You could be eating Cheerios, nobody sees you. You can get work done in the middle of the night and you're not bothering anybody and nobody sees you. And one day you open the front door and out you push this creation and then everybody sees you. It's how Kitchen Crew came up. Figured the name was fitting. So if you find a bent fork, or shouldn't say that, if you find a bent spoon or something on the Kawasaki project, you'll know that this bike there ended up in the kitchen for a few minutes.
really behind. Really behind.
Yeah, when I saw that post, I was like, wait, I thought we had a week left.
No, in a week it plays. I hate taking the hoses on and off, I'll tell you that. I'm hoping gravity is going to be our friend. Probably won't be. I'm sure something will be going to fuck me up. And I'm thinking as long as this is up above this, it should be able to push through the hose and everything, right?
You would think.
I'm wondering if the fuel will go down and push back up. I tied it up there to feed to the carbs.
Maybe turn that to the inside and shorten this to the.
So if this is on, I want that to go in the directions of the carburetor. Just so I know, as a handicapped special needs person, because it is really showing today. It was showing pretty good yesterday too. Here's the hokey of it all. The hokey of it all is going to be right here. So we're going to step up that tube to this tube. Maybe I should put some oil on it. Yeah, I got need damn oil. Yeah, it says you're in a hurry. Are we in a hurry? So when we took the rear wheel off, it doesn't center up. It looks like it centers up in the swing arm, but this does not center up on the front. That's why I need to ride this also to see how bad, how wet, if it is.
So it's about 5 years of the next.
Yeah.
Ain't a little bit of gas leakage hurt anybody until you're a ghost rider down the road. Your head's on fire.
43 years ago, I got hurt on one of these son of a bitches. I haven't been on a Kawasaki since. I mean, I got really fucking hurt. To be honest with you, I'm scared shitless to ride this motherfucker too. Might have a problem with the axle. I'm just sitting the seat on here right now. I want to make sure at least a couple of the gears. Okay, I got a front brake. I don't have a rear brake. Let's see what we got.
Do you want a helmet?
Definitely going down. It's going down for real.
Hopefully not in the literal sense.
That was kind of cool. I was dealing with a couple of phobias there, and I'm still a little bit nervous about this bike. The swing arm we had made was something that I'm not really sure of, and I want to bolt this thing up and get it up to pretty much highway speeds. It's small for me. Put my feet back like this without having that bigger seat, it really cramps me up. So I got to get that highway bar up here or cut my feet off. We're not going to do that. I took it out for a test drive, didn't have the bolts all the way through on the bottom of the springs, and I bent the fuck out of my brackets. Not fucking smart, I'm going to tell you that right now. All right, here we are. Maiden flight of everything put together. Hopefully it won't blow a fuse. I did buy extra fuses over there when I bought that brand new down here. Are we over budget? Sure hope not. But this is kind of cool. Let's see what we got.
Yeah, someone's making some weird noise.
So I'm getting a vibration or a noise. That.
Oh, shit. I didn't put that there.
Are you fucking kidding? You could have killed me.
I didn't put it there.
Who put it there?
Bike.
Spike.
That'd be my noise. Okay.
Trial run too.
Is that me now? I ran it too? Yeah.
What the hell? That's what it is. Hey! Biker Build Up 2019. It's Kitchen Crew. This is our submission. With or without. I'm gonna have this motherfucker done tonight. You know that. It's ready to rock. It's ready to roll. I want to thank everybody for helping us. I want to thank the club for showing up and helping me because it meant a fucking lot. The other night, it really meant a lot.
Well,
Felt pretty good, Mike.
we got about an hour and 15 minutes left till deadline.
I'm gonna pick up these tools. We're gonna take a look at the tread path on that rear tire. Remember the other day, it was more one side of center than the other? We'll see if this kind of centered it up. We'll see if this made a difference. All right, Blue Collar Build Off, 2019. Here we are, about 30 minutes from shut her down. This is what you get. This is all there is. We're done. Bike is done, runs great. It was a lot of fun. There were some tense moments in this, believe it or not. So good luck to everybody. And I want to thank everybody that helped us. I want to thank Mike. I want to thank Paul. I want to thank Brandon. I want to thank Kelly for coming over every Wednesday night, making sure that my ass was moving on this. Brooke, thank you very much. Tom swung by last night. He had a couple laughs. What else can you ask for? It was a good thing, good time. And I'm hoping it gets us out there safe and comes back home. Huh. Alrighty. Until next year. Talk to you later. Actually, it's a lot of fun. No, skeleton, stay with me. Stay with me. Oh, he's all broken shit. Saddlesore Ranch, we made it. We had no problems once we hit the road. Thank my teammates for helping me. Thank the club for coming out here and supporting. It was really fun to do this ride together. I hope we get to do something like this more often. It was a lot of fun. March 30th, 2019, Blue Collar Build Up. Second place, metric class. I'm really proud of this. I want to thank everybody that showed up to help me. Thank everybody that came over to the house and said, hey, let's get this done. You can't win if you don't play, and you can't play if you don't get there. We're here. We got this. And, see you next year.
That's why you got your middle finger up?
Oh yeah, I'm number one.
Did you have fun? That's all.
The event's been good. Good turnout. The bug's built really well. It's been a blast.
I have to say I'm pretty amazed that we actually got second place, let alone any place. And we all agreed that prospects are in between our bikes.
And Ladybug's car.
And Ladybug's car. Go the distance.
Build it and they will come.
Build it and they will come. That's it?
Don't quit. No one likes to quit.
Don't quit. No one likes a quitter, and don't stop believing.
Small town girl.
Living in a lonely world.
He's just a small town boy.
Midnight train going to
Small time
anywhere.
boy. Midnight train going everywhere. Hey, don't be selfish. Anything else?
Fuck bitches.
Fuck bitches.